In this video, you'll learn how to remove a domain from Cloudflare safely and cleanly, whether you're switching providers, no longer using a domain, or just simplifying your setup. I'll take you through each step so you know exactly what to expect and what to check along the way. Before we start, it's important to understand what removing a domain from Cloudflare actually does. When you remove a site, Cloudflare will stop acting as a proxy and DNS provider for that domain. That means you'll lose features like performance optimization, DDoS protection, firewall rules, and any page rules or redirects you've configured. If your DNS is managed only through Cloudflare, you'll also need to make sure you have an alternative DNS solution ready, or your site could go offline. So only remove a domain when you're sure you no longer need Cloudflare's services for it. First, log into your Cloudflare dashboard using your usual account. Once you're signed in, you'll see a list of your websites or domains on the main page. This is your central hub where all your Cloudflare managed domains are listed. From this list, find the domain you want to remove. Take a moment to double check that you're selecting the correct one, especially if you manage several domains. Removing the wrong domain could cause an unexpected outage for a live site. When you're sure, click on that domain to open its dashboard. You'll land on the overview page for that specific domain. This is the default landing page in Cloudflare for a site, and it gives you a snapshot of its status, security settings, and traffic. On this page, we're looking for a section in the right-hand sidebar. Now look over to the right side of the screen and scroll down that sidebar all the way to the bottom. Cloudflare places some of the more powerful and less frequently used controls in this area, so it may not be immediately visible without scrolling. As you reach the lower part of the sidebar, look for a section labeled Advanced Actions. This is where Cloudflare groups options that can significantly change or remove settings for your domain. It's designed this way to prevent accidental clicks, so always pause here and make sure you still want to proceed with the removal. Within the Advanced Actions section, you'll find the option that says Remove Site from Cloudflare. Click on this option when you're ready. This is the action that tells Cloudflare you no longer want this domain to be managed on their platform. After you click, Cloudflare will prompt you to confirm the deletion. This confirmation step is there to make sure you don't remove a domain by mistake. Read the message carefully, since it may remind you of the impact, like the loss of DNS and security features. If you're absolutely sure, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Once confirmed, Cloudflare will begin removing that domain from your account. The domain will disappear from your site list, and Cloudflare will no longer provide services for it. At this point, your domain has been removed from Cloudflare. If the domain is still active and you want it to remain online, be sure your DNS records are correctly set up with your new provider. If you've retired the domain, then you're all set. That's all there is to it. You've successfully removed a domain from Cloudflare by navigating to your dashboard, selecting the domain, finding the Advanced Actions section, and confirming the removal.